Hi, and welcome to the video. If you're new here, welcome. I hope we earn your subscription today. What happens when this meets this? This is the Otterbox Riveter case for the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. So take a look. I'm going to go over some of the things about the case. This is not my final review. This is kind of my first thoughts and pointing out some of the things on the case. So give a listen, and as always, I hope if you like the video, you'll give us likes, shares, subscriptions. Take a look. Okay, let's look at some of the features of the case. As you can see, and what I'll do is I'll start out with this look. So you can see how much more material there is compared to the bumper. A lot more. Let's look at that. Okay. So as we're circling around, you see the fingerprint sensor, power button, and the volume rocker. The volume rocker's covered, so that's pretty neat. So it's protected from a drop, and the fingerprint sensor does work. Here on the bottom, let's open it up, and you can see the USB port is covered. This is a lip that fits down in there, so I could pour water right here and it would not get into the port. I'm not telling you this is waterproof. I do not know what IP rating Otterbox gives this device with this on it. I'll have to check and see. The SIM card is covered. Here's the ball joints that allows it to rivet. There's no protection along the back glance bar edge. Don't know how they would do that. The first question people have is, can you fold it backwards all the way? The answer is yes. They did some nice design. I talked about that in my live unboxing. Okay. Fingerprint sensor works. If you've seen my gestures video, then you know that this is my home screen right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out here several screens, and if I can see it, there we go. So you saw it go back home. The gesture is about the same. No more screens to go that way. Okay. I'll bring that up. One of the things that we're concerned about is, does the pen work? I gotta open it up. So the answer is yes, it does. All right, let's do the notification gesture. It works. Quick settings gesture. Okay. Search gesture. Okay. Let's see about that gesture I don't use very often. Yep, there we go. Google Assistant works. Oh yeah, and then this gesture. All right. So I'm trying to decide how far off it is from where it was to here. This is the Duo 1. I think it's maybe where this guy is at. Maybe a little better than this guy. Exceptional drop protection. Oh, you have a lip all the way around. So you can lay it like so. And not, you can't scratch the screen if you keep the plastic on. That's to be determined. And very thick on the corners. I think you got very good drop protection here. Of course, we got nothing here. It is a fingerprint magnet, that plastic is, just like the glass. So we just got to dry our skins out and have no oils, so we don't leave any fingerprints. So first thoughts, I think it's a nice case. See how it goes with a little bit of use. We'll see how we like things after a few days. I'll probably come back and do a 2 or 3 day review, follow-up review. Okay, so after watching that, hopefully it's given you a little more insight into the case. Right now, I think it's a very good case. I'm a little iffy on the plastic over the screens, not because it interferes with the screens. Quite honestly, it's not really that big of an impact, but it smudges. It's that part right there. I've got to figure out if there's any way to address that or just take it off. But I'm going to give it a few days with it on and see how it goes. But hopefully you like the video. You give me some likes. You'll share it around so others can know about it. Subscribe. Give us subscriptions. Comments down below. And you can turn on notifications so that you know when more content comes out. And again, thanks for watching.